Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Listen to Reading Book Creator workbook that I created. First you want to go into the book after you've downloaded it, and I've made a sample page. So on every page there's going to be a different book where the students can listen to, and after they are done listening to it then they would click done. And then they can draw characters by choosing the plus button and the pen, and that gives them the drawing tool. And then when they are done they would click done. I'm going to delete this one since it's not supposed to be there, so I'm going to the I button. I like to call it the I want to mess with it button, and I'm deleting it. And then with the same tool, the pen, they can draw their setting. And lastly, their favorite part, they can draw, and then they also can type. So for drawing, they're going to click add pen and draw it and click done when they're done. And then to type what their favorite part is, they would go up to the plus button again, and this time click text, add text, and they would type in what their favorite part of the story is. Then they would click done, and then it would be right there. Anytime they want to edit it, if they double click on it, they can fix it as well. Lastly, they're going to record what they wrote for their favorite part, and the way that they would do that is they would go up to the plus button again, and then this time choose add sound. The very first time they do add sound, they're going to have to say allow. If they don't, you're going to have to go into settings and fix it. Then they're going to press the record button and record, press stop, and then click yes. Whatever they recorded will be on there, and they can put that piece wherever they want. Of course, they can always delete it. If they have the blue around it, then they can delete it. Once they are done with their page, then they can go on to another story to write it. These are all the stories that are included in the workbook. Here I am showing another story and how they click it and open it up to listen to it. Again, after they've watched it, they click done, and then they add their characters, what the setting was, and their favorite part of the story. Feel free to add any questions in the comments and I will get back to you.